All right, so old girl's got this side all ready.
Nippers?
Nippers. Nippers. Oh, girl had them. Oh, girl, where's the nippers? The baby channel locks are right here, too, if you want them.
No.
So we got this side ready. So I'm going to get oh, girl on the popping. Ooh.
Okay.
How much more is on that side there, boys?
The last one.
The last one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're all good. So we're gonna start popping this side. Are you cracking nuts? Oh, girl,
I'm cracking nuts.
What's your neck tattoo?
Yes, queen. Oh, that's just coming right off. Well, yeah, this.
Well, they're pre-lubed.
Yuck.
Oh dear. All right.
Get them all. Get them off. Get the nuts off. Oh, girl, I just told you to get the nuts off.
Not a problem. Got a lot of experience in that business.
All right. Now leave them on there with a couple threads though, so it doesn't go flying.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And then we'll get you the tool. Said you could use the tool.
So what's getting actually replaced here?
Tie rods. Tie rods are getting replaced. Upper and lower ball joints. The whole control arm's actually going to end up coming off.
And the spring is staying.
Oh no, that's going to come out too. It's all coming out.
Oh, we're
Are
getting
you
new
putting a
springs?
new spring?
No, the springs
just
are
recycle
fine.
that one?
We're just going to put that one back in. Yeah.
All right.
Like, I don't know, pink or jello green.
Do we need to take this thing off? There's another damn cotter pin. So.
Yes, we will. But later. No, we listen. We ignore, but we listen. Okay, so you got those three? Let's deal with these three first, and then we'll come in and get these.
Okay.
Let me go get the tool. Be on this side.
You got one pin that's not cooperating.
You got absolutely misbehaving cotter pin.
Part of the pin right there, and could that be like cutter bit? Isn't that shiny part under the pin?
Did you cut the head off?
Yeah.
Maybe you can pull it from the other end as well.
Yeah, let me try that.
All right, I'm gonna get the tool for a bang bang. Try to get it under there. There you go.
Brake dust coming out. It's probably still the asbestos one.
No, they've been changed. They're new. Let me get these guys cleaned. There you go. And going. There you go. Get it, girl.
It's not going anywhere.
In.
Hi, Bobby.
All right, we'll be right there, Peter. Oh, you guys in the damn light.
Now I really did. Well, I thought it was magnetic.
Yeah, that's starting to center up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna put enough load on it or not.
You better keep going, or
Well, you're gonna bind here now, but try to get this without it popping out. You're gonna need to crank this with a wrench.
oh, is that 3/4?
Do it gently. I think it's 6, 7/8.
Of course it is.
So try it gently. It's not all the way in, but
No.
yeah, you gotta get a bigger one. All right, so go ahead, Peter.
Yeah.
All the nuts over there that we undid the pins from,
Right.
loosen all the nuts up.
Yeah, use that breaker bar because that.
Yeah, it's right there.
What size
3/4, it's right there.
It's on the floor right there.
Here, Dan's got it for you.
I got part of it.
We're getting it.
Why just use this?
To start loosening it.
Yeah, the nuts.
Just not.
Yeah, that one. All three of those there. There's two,
This one?
and then there's
Just
one there.
break 'em?
Yeah, just pop them loose.
Now, which way am I going now?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Left.
Yep. Other left. Oh.
Peter, when you were back in Europe, did you ever dream you'd be taking your own suspension out?
So we gotta bang this back in again. There it went. That one's off. Okay, pull your nut here. Undo your nut there, let it hang. Let the nuts hang.
This one.
3/4.
Finish painting?
Let the nuts hang.
He's putting colors on there.
Woo!
Yeah.
Alright. There we go.
So what's the difference between this thing and that other? Because
The other
is
thing
it?
pops it too, but it's harder to get in on these older ones. All right, so you get that.
All right.
Bang that out.
What's that hammer?
Yeah, just give it a little
Yeah,
tap.
give it a little.
Little tap, just a little tap.
Just hit it on that.
Like this is spinal tap.
Oops.
Drop it down.
There you go.
There you go. Okay.
So we gotta do the same thing on the other side.
Yep. You gotta go pop the other one with Peter, and then we'll pop. We'll pop
the
this
middle
one.
ones.
Yeah.
Can I throw this nut away, or do you need this?
Yeah, we don't need that.
Okay. All right, Peter. You ready for the pickle fork?
You ready to get the bang bang? The bang bang boogie, the big bang boogity. Bang to the boogity bee. Yes.
So we're gonna put it right.
Yeah.
In that, right there. And
Put it in there
Go ahead.
and bang it. Yeah, go boys.
I'll let you do it.
But in my gloves,
No.
No.
Probably
How
not.
dirty you want to get? You're fine.
where's it go?
In the, right here, in between the metal and that bushing,
There you go.
and then
I remember my father doing this. Like right there?
yeah. So now you're gonna use the hammer to whack it
Bang it in, yeah.
How hard do I bang?
until it
Can go pretty
breaks
You
loose.
bang that like it owes you money, Peter.
Just hit my hands.
This little pop. You'll see it pop.
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, give it some more. It needs to get to about right here before it'll pop.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Is it going in?
Yeah. Yeah.
Needs a little more ass. Here's that fun.
You know, 68.
Doing good.
You're doing good.
Oh dear.
Good exercise.
It is. Ow. Let's try.
My hand's getting tired.